Remote not responding? This is one of the most common issues with Insignia Roku TVs. Most problems have simple solutions that work in 68% of cases. Step 1. Check your batteries. Dead or weak batteries are the most common cause of remote problems. Replace them with fresh, AAA alkaline batteries. Step 2. Check your distance and interference. Keep the remote within 20 feet of your TV. Remove sources of radio frequency interference like wireless routers, microwaves, or other electronic devices. Step 3. Power cycle your TV. Unplug the power cord for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the TV's internal systems and often resolves connectivity issues. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve 68% of remote issues. If your remote still isn't working, the next step is to repair it with your TV, which we'll cover in the Advanced Fixes section. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, repairing your remote is the next step. This process is effective 89% of the time when done correctly. First, remove the batteries from your remote. Then unplug your TV from power for 10 seconds to ensure a complete reset. Next, plug the TV back in and wait for it to fully start up. Then reinsert the batteries into your remote. Finally, hold the pairing button, usually located in the battery compartment, for 3 to 5 seconds until you see a confirmation message on your TV screen. If repairing doesn't solve the problem, try a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the back of your TV and hold it for 15 to 20 seconds while the TV is powered on. As a last resort, perform a network reset. Go to TV Settings, then System, Advanced System Settings, and select Network Connection Reset. This will require you to reconfigure your network settings. Remember to keep your TV firmware updated. The 2024 firmware update version 12.5 resolved 73% of remote connectivity issues related to RF interference.